the Continental Club Master. House of Folk, Omo and Ebano, House of Folk team, no, and Ebano. Yes, the grand arrival of House of Folk. Omo team, our House of Folk, House of Folk. Yes, the grand arrival of the Continental Club Masters never say die until the bones are rotten. House of Folk and Abi Pim our primary, yes, of course, House of Folk, the grand arrival of House of Folk, also supporters of House of Folk. Omani Ajiye papa. House of Folk, pass in any room, no phobia. House of Folk, passing and I NCB PM Ewahano. Never say die your solid life partner. And no House of Folk and Umabi PM Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And no match day 22 of the Ghana's version of Air Classico, this super class. And only Idia the Apusa I can see so the House of Folk and Saba Abi Team Waha. More air, more as getting up preparation we are game no ever pass session no say ebeduru ya ache papa almost be 10 minutes and agina kwana no sa mintim wase pinche kakra so e so ha say there abro yi kuma kwam ama almost etin ababenya access and so abewura mu a ababewura mu safety zone. Yes, it has a full communication director opari ado and so nam ha bia and so kama and so on in the has a full communication director opari ado and police for no and so place of the room and so safety zone almost against opari hanyo bre the has a full ebasi and ababetu abusia has a full team no and so ababedu ehwe ni say omo so be grand entry and so akwa dressing room. Yes, the super class. Yes. Nyamesi. We see wow, striker exclusive live on YouTube. When we say House of Folk and 8 poor BB, a good from Ansana players in 18 AP. The House of Folk team, and I was here 4 years. At long last, House of Folk never say die until the bones are rotting. And so Abba Pim bia enso kama enso edi amaklabo no enti hata folk team na busia mu enso abeduru a mu arrival enso e Baba Yara Sports Stadium players no na AC from enso e ho no na kuma ko as folk players no enso AC from kuma ko as folk team no enso AC from assistant coach Gazali and a who says here on also from Enso ha Nina a Ghana's version of Air Classico, the super class, and Hunina and Huapua in the next 1 hour 30 minutes no the median and so editing Ashas here and so into the Ghana's version of Air Classico super class and home update and I will say the MI and the T4 and so was striker exclusive so Shannon so has a foot arrival no and a Igusua and also Air Personal. Has a full arrival of the team. Egusua air course players, and so is. Yes, the deputy captain Kevin was SB, one who said on the APO. Yes, has a full team, Umu and arrival air course no. Has a full the Continental Club Masters, Umu arrival and Egusua air course has a full team, Umu arrival, Abusia players, and Egusua Paku and the CCCA. And say players no so egusua AC kakra and has a full team and ebe yes egusua super class no am pay be there egusua be so saying as here bia and say egusua e bia kama yes Solomon Agbesi and say say asare ne da say Agbesi ne da nyina emre ne nkabia and ebechere House of Hussein Muhammad and as you see almost every more yes Ali Muhammad House of Folk defender Ali Muhammad and honestly free see our dignity kama and also into the battle of Ali Muhammad and Albert Amwa and here and our House of Folk say Ali Muhammad and so betting up stop Albert Amwa of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Accra House of Folk obusia arrival and koso ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium no in the meantime no yes, the coach himself did it dramatic, the tactical coach, and so and I see from yeah, and so it had the folk, it arrival, and so and a year, and so into House of Folk arrival, and so about 5 p.m. in the Jumedian, and so about Baba Yara Sports Stadium, empty Apple Primary Stancy, empty Kakao. Yes.
The arrival of Asante Kotoko Football Club ahead of the big clash at Ebaso 5 p.m. A match week 22 of the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 edition. Now you're going to be surprised, Asante Kotoko Football Club, regularly. Surprisingly, Lord Amwa, yes, when I appear now, yes, the safe Amwa, yes, the likes of the two Prince, and I appear here, Joe, also appear from and say, Master Santo said, Kojo, yes, Master Santo, you wonder surprisingly, Basia and Kate. Comedy Pimoano, expecting say Bano, family Pimo, youth bass, Lord, the Hilary Adabo, and I will say with terms this year, the NCA Saka Dauda, and also APF Ribas this year, Moseko Johnson upon also APF and also Airport. Yes, that's the goalkeeper, Edmar Santa Kotoko, Patrick Esiedu, or Jamia, Lord, yes, the striker Albert Amwa, and APF. Morphine don't also appear for us now, and say, yeah, do good job. And say, Banka, Mafia San Tekotoko, who the kind of her. Surprisingly, Nami Busia Bonka say, Bass may use Bass and Omega Bassa, Kaika Sen, the Pimo of Pramaisuno, anything from Umaya minimum by Junwa, Asia, better than what you say. Asante Kotoko. Yes. Abusia match with and you fed your girl cry, and you fed your girl. I want to send it pretty match. APF match, more Beshano, team manager, most from Con, more Beshano, put a bragging right. Yes, Hamza being coach, Bakope and APF and coach Hamza being the youth head coach, and Asante Kotoko. Yes, the interim coach, Coach Prince Ousu, and APF interim coach at the Makumata Asante Kotoko, Coach Prince, and so and APF Asante Kotoko. They say the home team for the game, and so Baby Pimo arrive and a home